I'm informed that no case of mismanagement has been reported to the board or to the ministry for the calendar year 2023, and neither from January 2024 onwards. The House may wish to note that the Director of Audit has, in respect of financial year 2022-2023, which is the latest, submitted an unqualified report. Issues raised in the management letter for that financial year have been discussed and addressed to the satisfaction of the Director of Audit. I would like to add that since its creation, the MCIA has never been issued with a qualified audit report. The MCIA has always been in compliance with provisions of the Public Procurement Act, the Statutory Bodies Accounts and Audit Act, and the Code of Good Corporate Governance. Recommendations made by the PRB have also been complied with. In addition, I'm informed that the Internal Control Unit of the MCIA continuously assesses the adequacy of the internal control system of the authority. The overall objective is to identify weaknesses which may have material impact on the authority. Again, no shortcomings, fraudulent acts, or mismanagement have been reported by that unit so far.
Impress upon the Minister that the auditors were not satisfied in relation to contract awarded to RSL Security Services, the famous company which ripped off this country in the Molnupiravas scandal. And the contract was extended year after year, to the extent that the contract has reached 70 million rupees without going through the tender process. There was gross violation of tender procedure. That's the question I've got.
But again, Mr. Speaker, I still refer back to the report of the auditors. Had there been any breach of any procurement procedures, they would have raised it and, of course, seek for any information from management. And if they were not satisfied with it, they would have mentioned that in the report. At no time, I've looked at the report, I've seen any such remarks from the auditor's report. So,
a specific question which I'm put, I will refer to a specific question, and I will not only refer to the specific question, but I can say the page in the audit report where it is, where it is stated. Let me come to section 46.3 of the Public Procurement Act 2006, which stipulates that an amendment to a contract that will increase the contract value by more than 25% shall require fresh procurement proceedings. Is the Minister aware that the Office of the Director of Audit has found that the MCIA has breached this section of the law, not on one occasion, but on several occasions?
Well, like I said, Mr. Speaker, sir, I am not aware of any breaches. And like I said again, I'm relying on the information that have been provided to me and also on the report that I have with regard to the final audit report, where nowhere mention is made about breaches with regard to procurement procedures.